Hi guys, it's me Prakriti. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how do I arrange my lower sitting corner as my friends arrive. We chat and it's just a corner decoration with some lower settings as today's generation love lower setting, and I have included a lot of plants. As you can see, my background is filled with plants. It's also a DIY Zen corner. Hope you like the video. If you liked it, do like the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's watch it. So for this you need some kinds of plates. They are of three sizes. I have the other ready. So how will it we make this? Firstly हमको इसको काटना है. Then normal paper plates मेरे को 20 रुपए के पड़े हैं कुछ, तो फिर उसको मैं ऐसे just 1 2 ऐसे करके काटना है. एक ट्रायंगल्स निकल जाएंगे. मैं ट्रायंगल्स को कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ just because they look nice, okay? And we will use it further, so save it for later. I have taken those paper plates and I have double-sided tape. I have used double-sided tape and just pasted them. Actually I have just folded the tape, bigger tape that was like that doesn't do any harm to the wall, and I have created a pattern whichever I like. These look so beautiful. Now to make the lower sofa or lower sitting, I am using, these are like some sofa. When I renovated my sofa, these came from there and we have kept it, and I have just kept a razai over it, one or two, but I have changed later on because ये खिसक रहा था बहुत. Then I have arranged this chadar which my mom painted. This looks so beautiful as it has a very cool tone. I have just tried everything and I'm struggling on it, as you can see. Then I have again changed it, as I told you earlier. Like I have just, what I have done is taken two parts of different, so that this be more comfortable. Also I can like I don't have to struggle with it. This side I have also placed the same sofa thing, but it is a small size. I have placed a runner which my mom's handmade. Then I have placed side cushion and then some small cushion to decorate. Then I'm cleaning out the space. This is a corner space. Then this bulb is also a DIY. The lamp and the trunk is also DIY. You want to see a video, I can make it. Now I'm rearranging the stuffs. All of the stuffs are from my home. I have spent less than 100 rupees on this task, so these are pretty good. As you can see, I have placed a bottle. The star one is a cake maker. Then the black trays from microwave which I got with the microwave. Then I placed some stills and stones, then some plants, easy mop holder. Then I have put it some lights. Voila, this is done. How is it looking? Hope you liked it. These are some clay murtis which I will hang in the right side wall. This is a plant I have stored in the corner of the bed. It's a ugly black colored planter. That's why I've just covered it with a doll and it looks so nice. This is the another stool I have. I have placed a plant in a orange planter and a plate. I have painted it yellow with the mustard yellow, same the trunk have, and then I have put it a rose and a tea candle holder, and then there's a small tortoise which again my mom's handmade, and the rug. This is the table where I can keep my tea, coffee, anything, nothing else. Hi guys, I hope you love the video. Thank you for watching the channel. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye.